Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch my video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a customized subscribe button. I have noticed that recently it has been quite popular, so I decided to make a video for you guys. I do hope you guys like the way your subscribe button ends up looking like, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below your thoughts, and also share this to who you think will be interested. So now let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is get a picture of your choice ready, okay? And then we're gonna be going onto the app called Picsart. When you get to the Picsart homepage, you're gonna click on blank, and then you're gonna click on add photo. Choose the picture that you wanna use, okay? And then click on shape, okay? So you're gonna scroll and then you're gonna click on shape. Then click on the circular shape, okay? And then just open it up. Choose the section that you want to be inside of the circle, and then click on this arrow here. And then choose any color that you want for the outline, okay? But the one that I chose was the black color. And then I decreased the outline size down to 6. Then I clicked on save. After that, I just clicked on this arrow here, and then it got saved to my camera roll. Now, the next thing you're gonna be doing is getting rid of the circle and then clicking on add photo. And then you're gonna go onto background, and then you're gonna choose the red color, okay? Next thing you're gonna do is click on shape as well, and then you're gonna make this into a rectangular shape. And then you're gonna decrease the outline down to 0, and then click on save. The next thing you're gonna do is open this up a bit more, and then click on text, and then type in subscribe. Now you're gonna go onto this this font called Arial Regular, okay? That doesn't mean you can't choose any other fonts, but the one that I think goes nice with this is Arial Regular, okay? And then I just clicked on this arrow here, and then it got saved, okay? So now you're gonna double tap your text, okay? And then you're gonna add a D at the end. So now you're gonna click on this line here that's inside the text, and then you're gonna stretch it out like this, okay? And then everything should be in one line now, okay? And then now you're gonna click on this arrow here at the top as well, and that should be saved to your camera roll. Next thing you're gonna do is get rid of this text, and then you're gonna click on sticker, go into search, and then type in verified. You can choose any icon that you want, but the one that I went for was this red one here, okay? So I clicked on it, and then it got saved to my camera roll. Great. So now the next thing you're gonna do is click on add photo, and then click on background, and then click on this gray color here, and then you're gonna make this into a rectangular shape as well. And then you're gonna click on add photo, and then you're gonna be adding this image of yours, and then you can either put it here or here, but I decided to put mine here. I just made it a bit smaller like this, and then now I saved it. Great. So now the next thing you're gonna do is go onto Phonto. You're gonna click on the camera icon, plain images, click on a white color, and then click on color, and then scroll till you get to the green color here. Then click on apply, then click on this arrow here, and then use. And then after that, you're gonna save this to a camera roll by clicking on this arrow here and then clicking on save image, okay? Now, the next thing we're gonna be doing is going on to CapCut. You're gonna click on new project, photos, and then you're gonna be uploading this green background. Then you're gonna click on the green background, and then you're gonna make the slide a bit longer. I will say for now we should keep this at 8 seconds, 8 seconds. And then you're gonna click on overlay, add overlay, and then you're gonna be adding this. You're gonna open it up a bit, and then you're gonna keep in the middle, okay? The next thing you're gonna be doing is clicking on text, and then you're gonna be adding your YouTube channel name, okay? So once you type in your YouTube channel name, just click on style and then click on font, and then go under the English section, okay? And then you're gonna click on Sophia Pro, all right? Then you're gonna click on style again, and then you're gonna be clicking on this third gray here, okay? So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, okay? You don't have to go for this color. You can go for any color that you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, this is the color that I went for. Now I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, and then I'm gonna keep it to the side like this, okay? And then I clicked on style again, and then animation, and the animation that I clicked on was called flipping. So this one right here, and the duration was 1.7 seconds. Now I clicked on add text again, and then this time I typed in like, comment, and share. And then I clicked on font, and then I chose unbounded, okay? Unbounded. This one right here. And then I just kept it underneath, and I made it smaller. And then I just made it come in just a few seconds after the YouTube channel name, okay? And then the animation that I chose for it was called flip up. And the duration was also 1.7 seconds. So everything should look like this so far. Great. So now the next thing we're gonna be doing is going onto YouTube, and then you're gonna type in cursor, click, green screen, okay? So that's how I typed it in. And then I screen recorded the second video, so this one right here, okay? I screen recorded it, okay? Then once I finished doing that, I went back onto CapCut. So now the next thing we're gonna be adding is the subscribe button, okay? So we're gonna click on add overlay, and then we're gonna be adding this one first, okay? I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, and we're gonna take it right here to the side. Then now what we're gonna be doing is adding the cursor click, okay? So once you get your screen recording up here, you're gonna click on edit, crop, and then you're just gonna take it down to just the green screen with the cursor, okay? Clicked on the cursor green screen, and then I just clicked on cut out, and then I went onto chroma key, then I went onto the green area, and then I clicked on intensity, and then I just increased this till the green outline was completely gone. Then I clicked on shadow, and then I just took this all the way to 100, okay? So now what we're gonna be doing next is very important that you pay attention to it, okay? So you're gonna click on the subscribe photo, then click on animation. If you have the pro version, you're gonna click on unfold, all right? If you don't have the pro version of CapCut, then just click on swing button, okay? I have the pro version, so I'm gonna click on unfold, and then you can keep the duration at 0.6 seconds, all right? So you're gonna keep, scrolling till your whole entire YouTube channel name is spelled out, okay? Once that happens, you're gonna keep going, okay? And then you're gonna go up until where the cursor finishes from moving, okay? So for example, in mine, you can see it keeps going up and then it stops, okay? So where it stops, I'm gonna drag it down like this, okay? So it should be like this from the beginning, okay? And then I'm gonna keep going, and then you should see it when the cursor does the click, all right? Once it does the click on add overlay, and then add the second part of it, which should be this, okay? Great. Now you're just gonna click on this first subscribe button here, and then just make it all the way till the end of the slide, all right? And then this new subscribe that you just added in should go on top like this, okay? Like that, okay? And then now you can take this subscribe button here, so the first subscribe button, and then you can make it end when this other one comes in, okay? And then you're gonna click on the new subscribe button that we just added, the one that says subscribe. Click on layer and then click on number 2, all right? And then just drag it till the end. And then everything should look like this now. And then now the last thing you're gonna be adding is the verified icon. That one should go next to the text here. And the animation I chose for this was just fade in. And the duration for this one was just 1 second. So yeah guys, that is all I did to get this subscribe button, okay? So now I'm gonna show you guys how the original one that I did looks like, okay? Okay, so that is it guys. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below what you think, and also share this to who you think will be interested. Have a great day guys, take care of yourselves, God bless you all, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.